condolences to the family and to tell you that it shall be well. Because of time, there are members of County Assembly who are with us today, because this is Pentecost reached far and wide, and I would like the bishop, your old bishop, with your forbearance, to call them here and just to say hi, one word to say hi, so that they can...
Tafadhali, kama wangenyosha mkono pale walipo, on their behalf you have spoken, and Lizzie, the deputy leader, can just say one word, please.
Then I'll invite Liz to come and say something before I conclude.
Sini mlikuwa kwa ngapi? Wanne? Yeah, thank you. This is from Rera? Yeah, from Rera Ward. Thank you. You may be seated. Thank you.
Gade, where are you? Gade Wajeri, the famous musician.
Okay, pole sana, sikuwa nimemuona. Pole, sikuwa nimeandikiwa. Lizzie, 30 seconds.
Thank you very much, my bishop. All protocol observed. Jetago Liz Mudhoni wa Bogwa, and I want to bring my condolences to the family. And I just want to tell the family, I used your mom's names when I was doing campaigns. We went with Jenga and mom. She really supported me. And what I want to tell you, God bless you.
Thank you.
May the Lord be with you. Thank you.
Thank you, Lizzie.
Bishop, I may say one word, because...
Please do.
Yes. I want to thank everyone who has come here for this funeral. And I want to tell the political class that is here, led by our governor, the area MP, and I see all your predecessors are here.
Even the senator is here.
Even the senator is here, that we are united in the burial of this wonderful woman. I know the husband was a politician, and I see the husband died early. And so he never was able to accomplish maybe what he wanted for the people of Gatanga. But through your mother, she has extended the work that was being done by your father. And to us politicians, this is a lesson to us that you don't have to be elected to do good to people. So I urge,
Amen.
I urge the political class to cool the political temperatures, to stand behind the president, the deputy president, and his agenda, so that they can achieve for this country. And when the president achieves, we all have achieved. Thank you and God bless you.
Thank you. We thank God. We have members of parliament, current and former. Can we begin from former members of parliament, tafadhali? Mheshimiwa Ngugi, Mheshimiwa Murathe was there, Mheshimiwa Dirango Waihenya. Tuwapigie makofi hao. Thank you very much. Mheshimiwa Peter Kenneth, on the behalf of those who have left parliament, but who also seek other positions, ndugu, sema moja.
Bishop Wanyoike, now I hear you are a professor. Kuma utuke professor ganwa thukire hanini ugikorwo kari. Hamwe na mabishop aya giothe na atongoria kanitha. Family ya Mutigaire, Mrs. Wanyoike, Tony, allow me to call you that when I'll say why in a short while, Stella, and Eric, your spouses and your children, the bigger Mboro Wanyoike family, and the larger clan ya Githogo, fellow mourners. I don't want to say many things, but I will pick a few, and I'll be very brief on that, Bishop. I met Ninawa Tony, and that's the name I know. I didn't know her as Liz. I met her, and the husband introduced to me as Mama Tony. This was in late 80s. I was a very young banker, and we were trying to unsettle a few things in Gatanga. So we started some political journey with Mr. Wanyoike, and I was elected the treasurer of KANU in this location, and he was elected chairman. But behind the scenes, all the meetings were either at Norfolk or in Kuna. And we drank a lot of tea made by Mama Tony and took a lot of counsel from her and a lot of food. But in those elections, Mzee disappeared. We approached Mama Tony, she explained to us. And then came the year 1992. We actually had to go to Mama Tony to seek consent to bring Mzee to the field. So I used to talk with Mheshimiwa Wanyoike, and David Murathe there, I used to talk to Mama Tony. And that is how we brought Mzee Mboro Wanyoike here, and he became a member of parliament for Gatanga. We continued. Mzee didn't want to proceed. We again went to Mama Tony. We asked, will Mzee seek re-election? Mama Tony told us, Uria derona, haha mutigati da mugite kahida. Mzee dare. So we went for Murathe. We asked him to run. He became MP. Kakua kichwa ngumu baada ya miaka 5, nikangoa yeye. Then, after 2 terms, I retired. A misfortune happened in Gatanga. It was corrected in 2017. Mheshimiwa Nduati came in. And then Mheshimiwa Nduati, Mheshimiwa Murathe were part of my team when I was running. They decided to run against each other. Now you have Mheshimiwa Murathe as a member of parliament here. But along the way, and these are the last 2 parting shots, Mama Tony continued with her entrepreneurship. And she continued doing many things in the education sector. And 2010, actually, it was a double honor for me and Bishop Emeritus, because she talked to us and she wanted Bishop Emeritus to preside, and she wanted me to be guest of honor at the first official opening of the Roiro campus. And I said, give us that honor jointly with Bishop Gideon Guthekia, because we were friends. And that's how we opened. I did the political side, and Bishop did the spiritual side. But we said we are doing it together. Last word. The one thing I saw in Mama Tony was the vision she had. But more important, the passion she had in implementing her own vision. There are very many PhDs in town, in the meaning of please bring her down, or, you know, pull her down or pull him down. She never allowed any of the PhDs to pull her down. She stood her ground and made sure she implemented what she wanted. And I think the rich legacy she has left will continue and should continue, because she brought her family to run part of that. So there will be continuation. So in all this, 73 years might look short, but let us give praise to the God, our God, who gave her those 73 years to be in this world. Asanteni sana.
Thank you, Mheshimiwa Kenneth. Thank you very much. We have members of parliament who are here, both from Murang'a County and outside Murang'a County. We also have Nyeri, Mheshimiwa Kagushia is also with us. We have the Senator of Kiambu and the Senator of Murang'a. We have the woman rep of Kiambu and Murang'a, no, Kiambu, yes, Honorable Murathe. And